Welcome into my computer. In this presentation, I'll be going over some ideas to start out. By the end of this, you will learn the steps and in detail of what to do. Let's begin. A lead magnet. There are a variety of options. One is a quick start guide, such as a PDF, something that someone can download, print it out, and use. It could be a step-by-step tutorial or a checklist, similar to what I go ahead and give out. A list of tools, a cheat sheet, a video, email swipe files, funnels, such as used for ClickFunnels, a mini course, an ebook, a quiz, a webinar. Okay, so I got my lead magnet. Now, what do? You make it public. You share it with everyone. On social media accounts, you share the link to it. On YouTube, you do a CTA, a call to action. Once you have the link, you send the traffic to it. Here's a better way. Create a 2-page website that will make the process so easy. I have another video on this. Look for it on my channel. See below, this is the thumbnail to look for. It is coming out next week, 5/22. At the time of recording this, it's 5/14/2020. I know this was short, but I wanted to go over the details quickly. The next video, this video right here, will go more in depth on it to give you a better understanding. Please leave a comment below and let me know if this video was helpful. I've decided to make my content very short because the attention span is less these days. People don't want to sit through 10-15 minute videos. So I try to go directly right to the point so I don't waste your time. I do have more detailed training. If you're wanting to know more, you're welcome to check out my training videos. Alright. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.